Hi, my name is Billfred Leverette, and I'm a mentor in the FIRST Robotics Competition. Here, teams of high school students work with professional mentors to design and build a 120-pound robot in just 6 weeks from the unveiling of that year's challenge to the worldwide deadline. It's an exciting program that has changed the lives of hundreds of thousands of kids around the world over the past 25 years, mine included. In the Midlands of South Carolina, there were 9 teams competing last year, and we expect that to grow to 11 for 2016. Each of these teams cost tens of thousands of dollars to run for a season between travel, registration, and build costs. There's just one problem. We've been stinking. The last time a team from the Midlands made the playoffs of the Palmetto Regional, South Carolina's tournament, was 2013, and they got knocked out in the quarterfinals. Unless you're a 4-year team member, you haven't seen anyone from the area go for the title, let alone at the championship. Granted, FIRST is not all about the winning, but a team that's in contention is usually more sustainable and has better outcomes for the kids. It's time to fix this with a 3-pronged power-up. First, there's what's called a robot quick build. Teams receive a pretty decent drive system with their registration, but a lot of teams still get behind on its assembly for some reason or another. Our goal is to get everyone driving, control system wired, everything's good to go by the end of week 1 out of 6 so they can focus on the rest of their robot. Second, field elements. A lot of teams approximate this with some 2x4s and some cardboard, which sometimes leads to nasty surprises when they get to the competitions and the real field. We're going to get at least one set of professionally made field elements built for the teams, maybe more if the field gets simple on us. Lastly, we're going to partner with USC students for a robot in 3 days build. Now, these builds don't compete with the kids, but they show what's possible in 72 sleepless hours with a bunch of veteran talent from right after the challenge reveal. This will serve as a benchmark for teams to compare against, and once they're done, we'll have a bunch of college students engaged with the program that can help teams with the remaining 5.5 weeks of the build season. Put these 3 methods together, and we think 2016 is going to be a great season for these teams in the Midlands.